really don't know I'm going to do this for one end, but there you go. Let me just try and put you down again for a second. Let light this in. And all I'm doing now is just a real more whisper. Good. So that's one. Put the weight on that. Leave it. That's only really because I've used it once. Turn this thing on so you can run it. The things are alright, but they never turn on very easy. Right, now there's 2 ways for this to go. And I think that it goes this way with the little shoulder up there. It says the wood god stay will go over that. That's what I think. So what we're going to do is put that through there. I'm going to release the clippers. Put it in. Oh. Now me, I won't crack this in. But to tell you the truth, what I'm going to do is give it a little twist with this. So it's just nip tight. I don't think it needs any more than that, to be honest with you. If it leaks, I'll tighten it. That's my attitude. Alright, nip tight. Now I've got a little block set up here, says the fork should stand upright. Now this is 70 ml of oil. Now we're going to go into controversial subject. Now some people say this has got to be 40 weight. Now, I got some 40 weight fork oil. I spent the £8. I got it. And you know what? It leaked like a sieve. Right, on my first rebuild. So I am using some engine oil on this one. Just good old fashioned 2040 old fashioned engine oil. Cheap as chips. 70 millilitres, or an eighth of a pint. It's actually 71 millimetres, but I don't think 1 millilitre is going to make a big difference to my life, all the life of these forks. I think what you're dealing with is, when they were new, how would you put it? And probably there was some fancy BSA oil sold in a can or something along them lines. A friend of mine's got on Harley Davidson and he insists on using Harley Davidson oil. I can't see no difference in the stuff myself, but there you go. It's about 6 times the price. I don't know whether this was the case with this. A fellow I was speaking to, I'd banned him for about 25 years, told me to use normal engine oil. And as you can see, it don't go down very easy. You just have to dribble it in. Dribble, dribble, dribble. When it goes down, I say something now. No, I'm telling you, you're wrong. It's 70 CCS, whatever the now that is. And 70 on that side is about, what would you call that? 2.5 fluid ounces? Yeah, 2.5 fluid ounces. So I called eighth of a pint. There's all the, as you can see, it takes a while for it to diddle down. Still going down. I wasn't very happy with it before. That's why I'm doing this a second time like this. But good old fashioned engine oil, apparently brilliant. If it still continues to leak, well, I don't know what I'm going to do. We'll find out when we get there. It shouldn't, to be honest with you. It's gone down again. It's probably the wrong way to do it. Maybe there's another way of doing it. Maybe you put it in the fork slider first, I don't know. But this is the way I'm doing it. I've done this. Like I said, this is my second time of doing this, so Well, it's 40 weight oils and that. I don't think there's a lot in it, to be honest. There you go. That should, no, it still ain't done it. Still a bit more. Still a bit more, look. There she goes, running down, running down. No leech coming out the bottom of it, thank God. There you go, all in. Not a lot, really. Right, and obviously that cap's going to go on there like that. But I'm not going to go mad here, because when you put it on, I don't put it on, I even bother putting it on because I need to take that off to put the top bit on. You know, to get back in the triple tree, or the, what do you call them damn things? Yeah, you know, the pork clamp. Oh. I've been watching too many American videos, I think. It's not to call things by American standards. Now, this bracket has to go on. There is a right and a wrong way to put it on. It's got to go that way, as regards to where the, like that. Pop that over. There she goes. I'm going to take that up in a bit when I spray it. Now this thing, what I do, a bit of oil like this thing here, lubricate it, put it over, down we go. Now, where spanners are concerned, I've got this thing here, and that engages it with the knots. It's not perfect, but it does work, and I'll be screwing that up.